Guys, I just had to do this shot to start off this video. With a few simple changes, you can turn your boring old office from this to this. Not too bad. Let me back up and explain. Today, we're doing something really different. Obviously with coronavirus and the stay-at-home orders, I haven't been able to get out as much. No fly fishing, no traveling, no flying the drone. But there is one thing at home that I've wanted to get done for a long time, and that's transform my boring old office into a content creation studio. Let's see if we can make it happen. I want to walk you through the entire process from what it looks like now to what's gone through my head as I sort of dream up how this is going to look, to the items that I've ordered, building it out, and finally sharing with you, hopefully, a much better looking studio to create content on while I'm here at home. So hang with me, let's see how it goes. So I didn't want to share the office in its before state because it was frankly embarrassing. I've done a bit of work here already. Got a new rug in here and kind of reconfigured the office furniture so that where I'm going to film, there's some distance between where I'm going to be sitting and the background. And as you can see, this back wall here is just completely empty right now. So lots to do, but that's a little quick look of the before. Most exciting part of the day. Yes, thank you, Amazon. Minutes later, and I've got myself a set of shelves. If only everything could be that easy in life, right? The shelves are assembled and in place. The rug is put down. Things are still looking pretty bland, but I've got a lot more on the way. All right, another day and another package. Life is good. Got myself a key light today, the Godox SL60W. So over the past couple of days, a lot of new stuff has arrived for the studio, and I wanted to show you some of it. A microphone boom stand, an external recorder, a Godox key light with a glow softbox, a bowling RGB light for background effect, a couple cheap shelves with some mason jar lights and a few knickknacks, and that's about it. I think we're about ready to roll here. All right, the moment of truth. This has definitely been a nice little project during the stay-at-home order. It's definitely kept me busy. So let's step through this new stuff that I bought and watch and listen to how it brings the new studio to life. Step number one, let's turn on the external mic and get rid of that awful internal microphone on my Nikon. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh man, that sounds a lot better. Step number 2, turn off this awful office overhead light that gives just really crummy light. And it's dark. I actually prefer that over that terrible light. And we still have nice audio, so we got that going for us. Step number 3 is turn on that key light and softbox combo. Well, that's a nice improvement. Step number 4, turn on our background effect lighting. Well, that's a nice improvement as well. You can really see how just a small lighting change can really affect a shot. And finally, step number 5. Let's turn on some of those nice decorative lights in the background. That, my friends, that's what I've been waiting for. Now we are talking. All right, guys, like any project, this is definitely a work in progress. Still a lot of things to do, just with kind of playing with the lights and adding some new things like a backlight and a fill light. But I gotta say, it feels really good to be probably 80% of the way there. So I really appreciate you hanging with me. I hope you found this video useful, especially if you're building your own studio in your home. I'm gonna leave a link to all the stuff that I purchased in the build out of this studio below. And of course, if you liked this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be a lot more to come. So thank you for hanging with me. And until next time, take care.